of shitbaggery.
Like Jake? Okay, first of all, Jake, all right? He wants to buy. Listen to this. He started talking
Dude,
about
this guy is so
the
fucking
Christmas
dumb.
cabbage. I saw him hit a couple headshot flicks that were like, how did you
How did you get this
do that?
skill just randomly out of
How did
thin
you
air?
do that? And he, come on, this is not yours. So then his name's John. John's like, how did you do that? Like he played. John was like max level, so he's an observer, I guess. Is that what it's called? Like when you get high enough level, you can like spectate people
I have
and,
no fucking idea.
report them. So I guess once you get a high enough level, he says you're able to spectate them
Fuck.
in a different way.
Game. I
Right.
have no. That makes complete sense.
Absolutely. So he was watching him, and he basically just said, "Jake, you're fucking full of shit, man." Without even
way.
like waiting for Jake to question it. He's just like, "You're fucking full of shit. Cheating on CS:GO, fucking piece of shit." And Jake just started like defending him, like, "They're not even on, man. Like, there's nothing on." Like instantly defending
They're
the
not
fact that
even
he has
on.
them, but they're not even on.
Who would? Why would he even say they're not on? That's how dumb he is. Instead of saying I don't have them, he says they're not on.
Yeah.
God, bro. He literally is like the dumbest fucking. Holy
Yeah.
shit, Andrew.
I know.
No, I'm talking about my
Oh.
fucking gameplay right now. I'm literally
Oh, are you
insane.
smacking kids around?
Oh my god, I'm gonna. Oh. Roof. I just killed them both. Oh, that was funny. No! Hello, can you hear me?